Hey, it's Christy from Christy Planning It Out, and it is December 20th, and we have the package for the collab event, day 20. We're going to get this open, and we're going to take a look and see what's inside. I'm so excited. I've gotten so many nice things. It was all spring theme or floral theme, and it's been really a delight um, to see all some new sticker shops new to me. Some I'm very familiar with, and I've just been very excited every day. So today, this package appears to be from Ana Jolene, and so yeah, we have Ana Jolene. This is a sampler. Main shop, anajolene.myshopify.com. And so those are some really nice small deco stickers, really good for the smaller planners. And the journaling card with the young lady sitting at the desk is really cute. And then we have here Plan and Bloom. So these are really pretty florals. Let me see. I don't think this is wash paper. No, this is actually um, regular sticky paper matte. And there's days a week and some ripped paper. This is a really nice kit. I am really set up for come spring this year. This is really nice. And that was Anna Jolene, and I really appreciate it. Day 20. And I appreciate you for stopping by and hanging out with me and enjoying these packages. I hope to talk to you tomorrow.